So I want to use this menu programming. So if, for example, I wanted to use a G10 work coordinate 0 set, I wasn't quite sure how to use it, just press enter on that and it gives me all the details. I can add a sequence number, I can put comment, so I can put G54 space O F F S E T, import that, and then this is corresponding, it tells me there that it corresponds to my work offset, so 54 will be 1, import, and then I just put my figures, assuming I know what that minus 200 point, enter, and so on, minus 100 point, enter, and then when I press this continue registration, that means I can continue doing all the things. If I put completion mode, then it writes it in for me. And there it is at the top completed.